Hi clients, right now andito tayo sa 16th floor ni La Casa Residences. By the way, this is our newly turned over condominium here in Maple Grove. So right now, meron na lang kasi kami nag-iisang 2-bedroom unit. So this is unit 16I. Ayan, so gusto ko lang sa unit na to, clients, this is a corner unit. Ayan, so maganda talaga pag corner unit. Then you have access here dito sa aming roof deck. So pag in-open mo to, ayan, so pataas na siya, din pataas na dun sa roof deck. Ayan, so maganda siya tambay. Ayan, so by the way, this 16I is a 79.50 square meter. Ayan, so tara tingnan natin kung ano ba yung itsura nung 2-bedroom unit nila Casa. Ayan, so as you enter clients, meron tayo ditong intercom. Ito, pwede natin makita dyan yung mga clients natin. Meron siyang live door sa main door. And kung meron tayong concern sa lobby, we can call via intercom. Ayan, dito sa, actually, dito sa left side, andito yung ating other room. This one is for washing machine. Meron na din siyang sariling toilet and bath. Ayan. So, andito yung washing machine niya. And actually, this one is for maid's room. But, you can convert it into pantry area. Ayan. And close lang natin yung door. And right here, dito naman sa ating left side, andito naman yung ating kitchen area. And dito pwede yung ating refrigerator. And maganda lang din kasi, since 16th floor tayo, this is a penthouse unit, no? So, maganda lang kasi yung granite countertop natin. Hindi kasi ganito yung sa other floor eh. And we have the underhead and overhead cabinets. And dito may extension yung ating cabinets right here. So, medyo malaki yung ating kitchen. But right here, we have the provision for range hood and cooktop. And dito pwede yung ating oven. Ayan. So, tingnan natin yung ating magiging dining and living area. So actually, dito pwede maging dining area nyo. And dito, this will be your living area. Ayan, so dito, ang view natin dito, it's the view of mountain. Ayan, so kita yung mountain dyan and the Manila Bay. Ayan. So, yun yung isa sa mga gusto kong view right here pag dito nakaharap. But, this is facing commercial district, pero tanaw kasi yung mga mountain. So, tara, tingnan natin kung gaano kalaki yung master's bedroom. So, eto pala, hindi pala siya master's bedroom. This is the second bedroom, sorry. And, eto yung second bedroom natin. And, meron na din siyang modular cabinets. Ayan siya. Ayan, so as is na siya dyan, and meron din windows key, second bedroom, and we have the provision for window type aircon. Ayan, may abang na siya dyan. Ayan, so yung toilet and bath naman ni second bedroom is right here, and dito siya. Ayan, so pag deliver na po itong toilet and bath, as is na siya, we have the partial glass, the shower, soap holder, towel rod, and tissue holder, and all. And yung ating, actually, ang ganda lang ng ating kasi cooler yung brand niya, and kasama na yung mirror and all. Ayan, so let's go, titingnan na talaga natin yung master's bedroom. Ayan. So, welcome to your master's bedroom. So, napakaluwag and napaka-spacious. Pwede dito yung bed nyo and all. And you have the modular cabinets also. Ayan. You have the modular cabinets. Ayan. So, maganda siya. May closet ka na. Ayan. And right here, connected na din siya sa toilet and bath. Maganda kasi nasa loob yung toilet and bath. And as is na din siya with the turnover. By the way, dito, pwede kang mag-provision for the heater. Pwede kang mag-install dyan. Ayan. So, dito, meron na din nakaabang na window type air condition. Ayan, dito. So, bali dito, sa ating 2-bedroom, actually, tatlo yung provision for aircon natin. And by the way, this unit pala is a smart home ready, meaning this is the censored na, then meron lang tayong install na application sa app natin, then pwede na natin siya makontrol. By the way, this 2-bedroom on La Casa Residences, ang kagandahan dito, yung payment kasi ng La Casa, when you reach 7.5%, pwede ka na kasing mag-moving or pwede mo nang tirhan yung unit na to. So, ang reservation fee namin for 2-bedroom is 70,000. That's deductible to the total contract price or on the down payment, but this unit, this is around 50,000 month. So, this is like kababaan from Mega World. If you want sample quotation or price list, message me now and let us schedule your private meeting.